Hello, and thank you for considering one of our level 1 or level 2 tub repair kits. Today I want to walk you through a little bit of sample damage on helping you make the right decision. So what we have here is just different forms of damage that we see. Maybe a small chip on your bull nose, maybe a small hole like those two, maybe a chip around the drain. Most of these things are going to be level 1s. If it is around the drain, you would want to remove that drain, make the repair, and then install the drain after it cures. It takes 24 hours to cure. The other kind of damage is larger damage. This would be more like a level 2 kit. Large holes, cracks that have give to them. You're going to want to drill out each end of a crack if you've got that. And then, we provide you all the material to make a strong repair on that. It's going to be more durable than a level 1 kit. There's another product in there that is much more durable. In all of our kits, we offer a color matching system. This is the same color matching system that we use on site. It works very well for us. We believe it will for you. So that's really a level 1 and level 2 kit. We hope that we're able to help you save your tub.